Hi guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel, and we continue from where we left. Guys, we were able to find the Maclaurin series for e raised to sine 4x, and this is what we found out. But we are not able to do this question, guys. So guys, we are now going to do this question, and let's now start off. So we have read this question. Having found the series for e raised to sine 4x, and so we are going to write it this way, guys. We write integral from 0 to 1. Then instead of now writing e raised to sine 4x, I will write this. So this one is going to be 1 plus 4x plus 8x squared all over x raised to a half dx. So guys, this is what now we are going to do. So for us to do this one, guys, and guys, you can see now this one is now easier. It's in an easier form compared to this. And so guys, we can now do it, this one, more easily than that. And so guys, what we are going to do, we are going to separate them into fractions. That is 3 different fractions under the same denominator. So that now guys, we are going to be able to solve the question. So I write here integral from 0 to 1. I write 1 all over x raised to a half plus 4x all over x raised to a half plus 8x squared all over x raised to a half now dx. Now guys, when it is like that, it is easier to integrate. So now guys, what I will do, I will now integrate one by one, but before I do that, let me write it even in a simpler manner. Then I'll write like this. I'll bring my denominator up here, so that now guys, we are going to have x raised to negative a half. That is when we use the law of indices. When x goes up, it now becomes, the power becomes negative. Plus, we now deal with this one. This is 1 minus a half. You will have 4x, because this is raised to 1. So when we bring this one up here, it will be minus. So it will be 1. We shall have x1, x now, this one now will be negative a half. So if we add those ones, we shall get x raised to a half, like that. Coming to this other one, guys, you'll have plus, this one now will be 8. We bring this x up there, we shall have x raised to 2, x raised to negative a half. So guys, that one will be equal to x raised to 3 over 2. Like that, because this one can be 4 over 2 minus a half, meaning it is 3 over 2. Is now all of this one dx, like that. So guys, now we come and integrate. So let me write it like that. We integrate this one, we shall have x a half minus 1 give us a half all over. Here we are also going to have a half. But now if we write a half here, it means the 2 will come up here, like that. Because guys, what we are saying, we have something like this. X, let me show you. We have x negative a half plus 1. So this one comes to a half, and then we write that a half down here. So these two will come up, and it will come here. And so that's what I have done here. Plus, for this one you write first of all 4, then x a half now plus 1, that one gives us 3 over 2. So at this side we shall also have 3 all over 2, but the 2 now will come up here. So we shall have 2 here, guys, like that. Let me still show you that one, guys. It's going to be like this. We are having 4 x raised to a half. We plus 1 there, and then we put a half plus 1 there. So this one is 3 over 2. If we do that, guys, then 2 is supposed to come here, and then 3 will remain there. And that's what I have done there, guys. We now come to this other one. Plus, we have 8x, then 3 over 2 plus 1. That is 5 over 2. And we put our 5 over 2 down here. So 2 will go down here, then it will come up here. Here we shall have times 2, like that. So guys, from 0 to 1. So guys, let me now put it well. It will you'll have now 2x raised to a half plus, this one is now going to be 8x raised to 3 over 2 all over 3, like that, plus this one is now going to be 16x raised to 5 over 2 all over 5. Guys, this one is going to be from 0, limit from 0 to 1. So guys, we now come and fix our limit starting with 1. So if we fix our limit, we put 1 here and 1 here and 1 here. We know that whenever 1 is raised to any number, it still remains 1. So we are going to have, I can now put bracket like that. We are going to have 2 plus, here we are going to have 8 over 3, like that, plus 16 all over 5. So guys, I'm saying that if we put 1 raised to a half or any number, it still remains 1. And so that's why I have just put the coefficient only. Then this one minus, now we come and put 0. Now if we put 0, guys, then it is going to be 0 throughout. So we are going to have 0 like that. And so guys, we now come to the end of our question. And since we are told to write it into correct to 4 decimal places, we have to convert to we have to remove the fractions and write in the ordinary numbers. So guys, I have written them, I have changed into numbers. Instead of fractions, I have written like that, guys. So this 8 over 3 is 2.666. There is a recurrent decimal there. This one 16 divided by 5 is 3.2. So when I add them together, my answer is going to be 7.8 6, 6, 6. But now guys, we have to write that one into 4 decimal places. And so guys, since it shows that like here there is recurring decimal, that is, we can count 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, of course, it's not even written anything, so we can leave it like that, guys. So that is our solution. So thank you guys for listening to me. Bye bye.